We got club crackers, we got bacon, we got a little bit of barbecue rub, and we've got some brown sugar. Put that all together, put it on the smoker, and on half of it we're going to put cheese on it. And these are fantastic. You gotta try them out. So playing with the smoker today and decided to just try something a little bit different. I've seen other folks try these and thought I'd give them a shot. It's bacon.
Bacon, my love, bacon!
On a club cracker, a little bit of brown sugar to kind of sweeten it up, and then it's got a spicy barbecue rub on it, and then on half of them we have added some cheese to it. Started out with some club crackers. These are kind of a standard fare. Grabbed a knife, cut pieces of bacon, probably about 1 inch wide, and this is just the normal bacon, not a thick cut bacon, and we put that on top of the club crackers, making sure to kind of get it as far to the edge as we could. Probably could have gone a little bit bigger because that bacon will shrink up a little bit, so if you overshoot, that's probably not a bad idea. We've got our dark brown sugar added. Didn't put a lot on, just a little bit of a pinch. We don't want to burn too much of that onto it. With the heat of the grill, we just want to have that kind of give a nice little caramelization and sweetness. Our favorite little rub here. It's got a smokiness to it. Pushed all these crackers together. That way it makes it a little bit easier to make sure you get it on all of it and you don't end up putting it right in between the crackers. We're going to separate them out a little bit to make sure that the airflow gets through those when we put them on the grill, and let's cook them on up for the first step. There we are, we got this going about 250 degrees. May turn that up just a little bit so we can render out that bacon, but I think that's looking good. So these are coming along nicely. Just for something different, we added some cheese on about half of these. Gonna leave half of them with just the bacon on it. Okay, so we're gonna go in for the taste test here. That's the first one. So this is one with bacon on it and no cheese. Good on the rub. That was a good little spicy rub, so that was absolutely fantastic. I think that was really tasty. Got to the butteriness of those crackers, which is good. The savory from the bacon, kicking up a little bit of sweetness with the brown sugar. Good amount of smoke on there also. Right now we're going to try the one with the cheddar cheese on top. Everything that the other one had, plus adding cheese to it.
Cheese, cheese, cheese!
That's pretty fantastic. I think this is definitely my favorite. That is so good, you gotta try these. So if you like the stuff that we're cooking up here, I would sure appreciate it if you would mash on that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything to do it. If you turn the bell on, you'll get notifications, so you'll see when I put out new videos. Add any comments that you've got. I'd be glad to respond to those. Maybe your own little spin on how you put this together. And give it a thumbs up or a like. That would be awesome. So now you know that it's time for you to figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. And thanks for watching.